What is up, guys? Today we have Angry Cowboy. This is another Spirit of 76 Fireworks demo item they provided to us. So thanks again, Spirit of 76. This is part of their Sky Bacon line. So we got a 16-shot, 200-gram cake. Let's go ahead and turn this over to their reference guide. So once again, 16 shots, 200 grams. Looks like red and gold is the primary colors on this one. So for performance, we have this cowboy comes out shooting with brocade tails to brocade crown and color stars with crackle. So looks like we have a bit of brocade, some tails on these shots, which is always good to have a nice rising effect on the shots. Just gives it a much more layered effect versus just breaks in the air. And it looks like we have some about just shy of 1 inch or possibly 1 inch tubes on this. Pretty sturdy cake. Looks like might have a nice one here. I have a good feeling about it. So let's take El Vaquero Furioso, which I guess is the Angry Cowboy in Spanish. Not, I don't really speak Spanish, but hopefully I didn't butcher that too badly. So let's take this thing out to the field, see how it looks, and let me know what you think.